I hope you have a great day. You have a blissful day because today is another day. So now we're going to learn and learn and learn again. So today, let's talk about the introduction to computers. So I know that we are so very familiar with this thing. So in fact, people nowadays consider it as as one of their primary needs in their lives. But before we go further, so these are our objectives. So first, explain why computer literacy is vital to success in today's world. Define the term computer and describe the relationship between data and information. Describe the 5 components of computer: input devices, output devices, system unit, storage devices, and computer devices. So next, discuss the disadvantages and advantages that users experience when working with computers. Then define the term network and identify benefits of sharing resources on a network. So discuss the users and internet and the World Wide Web. So distinguish between system software and application software. So differentiate among types, sizes, and functions of computer in each of these categories. So personal computer or desktop, mobile computers, and mobile devices, game consoles, services, mainframes, supercomputers, and embedded computers. So describe the role of each element in an information system. So explain how home users, small office or home office users, mobile users, power users, and enterprise users each interact with computer. Then discuss how society uses computers in education, finance, government, healthcare, science, publishing, travel, and manufacturing users. So now, let's proceed to computer literacy is vital in today's world. So computer literacy or digital literacy involves having current knowledge and understanding of computers and their uses. So example of this, if one particular person knows how to use or he or she has a knowledge and understanding of computers, he or she is a literate or a computer literate. So as what we can see in our generation nowadays, in our situation, so we can see that computer literacy is vital to success or vital to this world because as computer become more part of our daily lives, so many people believe that computer literacy is vital to our success because it becomes our need in our daily lives, especially in our online classes that we have today. So now, let's proceed to computer and the relationship between data and information. So first is computer. So computer is an electronic device operating under the control of instruction on its own memory that accept data according to specific roles, produce results, and store results for future use. So next is data. So data is a collection of processed items which can include text, numbers, images, audio, and video. So information conveys meaning and is useful to people. So example of this is news, the article that we read from internet, or everything that we can get, or some updates that is called information. Now let's proceed to description of 5 components of a computer. So these are the 5 components of a computer. So these are the input device, output device, system unit, storage device, and communication devices. So first is input device. So input device allows you to enter data or instructions into a computer. So next is an output device. So conveys information to one or more people. So the next is the system unit. So the system unit is a case that contains the electronic components of computer that are used to process data. So next is a storage device. So a storage device records or retrieves items to and from storage media. So next is a communication device. So communication device enables a computer to send and receive data, instructions, and informations to and from one or more computers. So now let's proceed to the role of each element in an information system. So an information system combines hardware, software, data, people, and procedures to produce timely and useful information. People in an information technology or IT department develop procedures for processing data. So following these procedures, people use hardware and software to enter the data into a computer. So software processes the data and directs the computer hardware to store changes in storage media and produce information in an desired form. Let's go to various types of computer users interact with computers. So these are the various types of computer users. The home user, small office or home user, mobile user, power user, and enterprise user. So first is home user. So home user is a family member who uses a computer for variety of reasons, such as budgeting and personal financial management, web access, communication, and entertainment. Let's go to a small office, home office, or also known as SOHO. So it includes any company with fewer than 50 employees as well as self-employed or an individual who work from home. So let's go to mobile user. So mobile user are employees and students who work computer while away from main office, home office, or school. Next is a power user. So a power user uses a workstation or other powerful computer to work with industry-specific software. So a power users exist in all types of businesses. So last is an enterprise users. So an enterprise users works in or interact with a company with many employees and uses a computer and computer networks that processes high volumes of transactions in a single day. Now let's go to society uses computers in education, finance, government, healthcare, science, publishing, travel, and manufacturing. So in education, students are use computer and software to assist with learning or take distance learning classes. So nowadays, as we notice in our type of studies, so we have this online class, modular, or whatever. So we use computer several times or often times. So next is in finance. So people use computer for online banking and online investing. So next is government offices. So government offices have websites to provide citizens with up-to-date information, and government employees use computers as part of their daily routines. So next is in healthcare. So in healthcare, computers are used to maintain patients' records, monitor patients, assist with medical tests and research. So next is science. All branches of science now are use computers to assist with collecting data, analyzing and modeling data, and to communicate with colleagues around the world. So next is publishers. So publishers use computers to assist in designing pages and make the content of their work available online. So in travel, so many vehicles now are use some type of online navigating system to help people travel more quickly and safely. Last is manufacturers. So manufacturers uses computers aided manufacturing or CAM to assist with manufacturing processes. So that's all, and thank you. So God bless everyone. Bye-bye.